Again I am here with my next video. So today we will discuss the topic operators. Students, you might have studied the operators in the details. So I will take the quick review. Generally operators are applied on the two or more operands, and they are the different type of operators. So these are the arithmetic operators: plus, minus, multiply, division, modulus, floor division, or exponentiation. Now you know the roles of each and every operators, but sometimes the question is asked in the examination regarding floor division or on the modulus. So you have to do the practice of these two. Now this is the other example on the operators which you can perform on your computers. Fine. Basically I will discuss this floor division. I can show you. Now, if I write 9 divided by 4, 2.25. Now same way, if I write 9 then floor division then 4, I will get 2. Okay, means it gives the whole numbers. Now again, if I write 9.0 divided by 4, it will give me floor division. Basically 4, it will give me 2.0. So you have to take into your mind that when a float number is divided by any integer, it results in the float form. Okay. Now next. Now this is what is it is a small program of calculation of EMI. EMI, when we take the loans from the bank and we have to pay back it in the form of EMI. Every month we have to pay the EMI. So how this program works? See, for calculation of EMI, here we have the principal amount, rate of interest. Suppose it is the annually, time it is the 2 years. Fine. Now main thing is that what is the formula for calculation of EMI? Fine. So this is the formula: principal into rate of interest into 1 plus r ki power t. T is the number of installments in the terms of months. Fine. Or how it is find out? It is given the 2 years. So 2 years into 12. 1 year means 12 months. So 2 into 12, it will be calculated in the terms of number of months. Same way, this is the time period, 2%. So 1 month we can easily find out r by 12 into 100. So this is the formula. So I can show you how this program is working. Now I have written this program over here. Now students, this program is given in the form of function. We have used the function. In class 11th you didn't study the function, but in class 12th each and every program you will do using the function. So this is the way to define a function. Def is the keyword. This is the name of the function. It's the identifier. It can be anything. And these are the 3 parameters we have passed: principal, then rate of interest, then time. Then this is the logic. This is the main logic. Fine. This is the return statement. You know very well what is the function of return. Now here these are the assigned values, and here I have called this function by passing these three values. Okay, so according this function is working, and if I run this program I can show you. Yes, monthly EMI is 461.444. Okay, so this was the program of calculation of EMI. Now we next the move. Now one more program, calculation of GST. You know GST, goods and service tax. How it is calculated, because we all pay the GST in different forms. Fine. आपने भी सुना होगा कि जीएसटी आजकल सभी चीजों पे लगता है, तो कैलकुलेट कैसे होता है? तो उसका फॉर्मूला होता है ओरिजिनल प्राइस और नेट प्राइस, इन दोनों का जो डिफरेंस है उस पे जीएसटी लगता है. ठीक है, उनका डिफरेंस निकालते हैं, ओरिजिनल प्राइस डिवाइडेड बाय ओरिजिनल प्राइस. तो दिस प्रोग्राम आल्सो यू कैन सी हाउ डज इट वर्क. आई मेक इट कमेंट्स. ये चीज आपको अच्छे से आती है, कमेंट कैसे बनाते हैं. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द प्रोग्राम. I've already written it to save the time. Okay, now this is the program. You can see def calculate GST. This is the function and this is the logic. Fine. Here these are the two values and these are the print statement, and again I have called this function. Now if I run this program, GST 20%. Okay, so this function is also working. Now next, now these are the relational operators: greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than, equal to. Now all these operators returns in the terms of true and false. Now this is the very simple example is given. X is 101, y is 102, so x is greater than y, answer will be false. X is less than y, answer will be true. So same way. So these are very simple things, but you have to make practice. Now there are logical operators and or not. Fine. Now and means it returns true if the both operands are true, or means it returns true if any one operand is true, and not is the complement operator, means if true then false, if false then true. Okay, now next these are two membership operators. Now membership operators, in and not in, it is used to find whether any number exists in the list or not. If it is exists in the list, then returns true, otherwise it returns false. Okay, and it's a very simple program, like a equal to 5 equal to 10, list is given 1 2 3 4 5, and if I find if a in list, then it should return if yet is available, otherwise not available. Okay, now next is the identity operator, is the is and is not. Fine, means if the two variables bear the same value, and if I write a is b, means both are indicating towards the same value, then both have the same identity. Fine. Otherwise, not. Means both variables are pointing towards same value. Next. So this is the precedence of the operators from highest to lowest. So it is important to keep remember the precedence, because calculation of expression or different statements, it is very much used. Fine. The highest precedence is given to exponentiation, then complement, unary plus, unary minus, unary plus and unary minus means minus 2. That is the unary minus plus 2. If plus comes before any number, that is mean there are the unary operator plus and minus, and multiply, divide, modulo, floor division, addition, subtraction, and likewise. So it is better to keep it in mind the precedence of main, actually not all operators, but at least the main operators. Now, so it's all for today's. Tomorrow we will discuss the chapter expression. And one more thing I want to tell you, that in the last video I given you the assessment, but when I just saw today, I found that only 2 students have opened those assessment, and even those 2 students have not done anything. Students, the purpose of this online video teaching will be failed if you will not do assessment. If you are facing any problem, then tell me. But after going through the video, easily you can do the assessment. So it's my request to you, kindly do the assessment. Okay, thank you very much.